In this video, we are going to install Node.js and create a React app. Okay, and let's go to a browser. Okay, and search Node.js. Okay, uh, go to the download link. Choose your operating system, like for your Windows, Mac OS, and you will also get the source code. For Mac OS, you can simply click here. You will get the package and you can install it in your system. Let's cancel it because I already installed in my computer system. Okay, so let's go to terminal and check the Node.js version. Okay, okay. I have 21.7.1, which is the latest version of Node.js, and let's check the uh, React version. Okay, I also I have the latest version of React 10.5.0. Okay, we don't have to do too much to create a React app. In one code, you can create a React app. So let's write it. Firstly, we have to choose the directory where we'll have to install it. I already installed in my document directory in a React file. So let's go there. From cd documents. Okay, cd will give you the current directory and we'll enter in the documents folder. Now let's check it where is the React app. Okay, I have the React app. Okay, sorry, React folder. In there is a React app already. Let's go in React. Okay, now I am in React, so let's check. Okay, I already have an app called React app. Okay, let's create a new one. For create a React app, we write a command like npx create React app and choose a name like first app. First app is an React app name. You can change that, it's mutable. Okay, let's install it. It will take few minutes to install, like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, then the app will install in your directory. Okay, installing. Okay, now we can see our app installed. Okay, now it's giving me happy hacking. We can create okay. We suggest that you begin by typing cd first app. Okay, don't go together. Let's go to Visual Studio Code. Okay, and then go to open file. In documents we have an file called React. Now our file is first app. Open it. Okay, yes, trust the authors. Okay, terminal, let's clear it. Okay, and new terminal. Now let's start our React app. npm start. Okay, it's open the default browser. Here you can see our default React app is working. Okay, thank you for watching.